Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing a little gameplay of Subway Surfers. So yeah, just a small little bit. So yeah, let me turn that down. This is gonna be really short, so because I don't have a lot of storage. So yeah. Oh, what is wrong with me? Get me out of here. I just want to play the game, thank you. Oh, I forgot to get the A! Oh Lord. I literally clicked the down button. What is... Oh, it jumped. It literally jumped. Why do I have a accent? No, I don't. America. Colors. Oh wow. Haha, I killed him. Anyways, you know, gotta go, boy. Boy. Bye.